Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will show you how to remove or replace the mirror switch for BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. Now, if your mirror switch doesn't work, okay, this one right here, guys, we'll show you how to do that now. Now, there is two kinds of switches. The one with the power folding mirrors, you're going to have an extra button here, and the one without it. Now, the sad part about this one is you cannot just replace the mirror switch. Okay, some cars you just replace the little switch here, it's super simple, super easy, but BMW made it integrated. Okay, that whole piece here needs to be replaced together. And that controls the mirror, left, right mirror, and all four windows as well. We have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, guys, so electrical videos, so if you need anything, just subscribe to the channel. Now, we'll show you how this mirror switch should be removed. Some people will try to pry right here with a screwdriver, and as a result you're going to break that bezel piece. Okay, you might not, you might get lucky, or you will scratch your paint here. So what we usually do with the panel removal tool, okay, you can pry that door trim piece out, and there is one clip going this way on the back. So the last one you need to pull towards the back. Now sometimes the clips will come loose, so we have to pull them out of the trim piece and install them back on the door. Okay, just like that. You can see. Now, what do we usually do? With being removed, now you can get your fingers underneath right here on both sides and pull it straight up. Okay, there is 4 clips, and once we remove it, I'll show you where the clips are. And after that, disconnect the wire by pressing down there and just slide it to the side, pull it out. Okay, now sometimes you can buy the one with the trim bezels, other times you just need to replace the switch itself. And we'll show you now, okay, how to do that now. You can see there is a few small clips here. 1 here, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. So usually we start on the front one with a small screwdriver, just start prying it gently up. Now on this side here, okay, and it's out. And you can see why you cannot just replace the mirror switch. This is because it's integrated with the window switch. And in our case, okay, we don't have to go ahead and replace the whole switch. I think just the button here messed up on ours, so we're going to see if we can fix it. We'll have a video how to do that, because I think it just doesn't slide all the way to the right side. But as you can see, this is the switch, guys, and everything. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.